Hey guys, welcome back. I am Dr. Tejas Jaswal and you are watching the Coronavirus Encyclopedia. Today, we will try to understand the animal origin of coronavirus. Now, the viruses which get transmitted from animals to humans, they are called as zoonotic viruses. Actually, bats have been found to be carrying a significantly higher number of such zoonotic viruses than other mammals. They have been previously also related and have been found to have origin of various pandemic outbreaks such as SARS, that is severe acute respiratory syndrome, then MERS, that is Middle East respiratory syndrome, as well as Ebola virus. Now, since January 2020, after the outbreak of this COVID-19, there has been a general consensus that horseshoe bats can be said to be the reservoirs of coronavirus. But more recent researches have come with a twist. There was one research which was carried out by Tommy San Yuk Lam in 2020. They carried out the study on Malayan pangolins that were rescued from rescued through anti-smuggling operations in southern China, and they carried out metagenomic sequencing of them. In their research, one coronavirus was found to show strong correlation and similarity to the SARS-CoV-2, that is the novel coronavirus. Not only this, there was a more recent published research carried out by Yang Zhang and others. So that study compared the codon usages of coronaviruses to those of more than 10,000 different animals. In their research, they found that the genetic sequence of coronavirus of Malayan pangolins showed the highest similarity, almost 91% similarity to that of SARS-CoV-2, that is the novel coronavirus. And when they compared, the bat coronavirus was found to show 19 amino acids different on the protein spike, whereas the Malayan pangolin was found to show only 5 different amino acids from that of the novel coronavirus. So, it can be stated that the origin might lie in the bats, or it can be stated that the bats might not have directly infected humans, but there might have been present an intermediate host in the form of pangolins, which might have then infected the humans. But as of today, as per the WHO report, the origin of the virus is still unknown. So this leaves us still with a question, and this leaves us still with the mystery as to where this coronavirus has originated. That's it for today. Catch you later. Bye bye.